Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crop and resize your videos using CapCut, great for focusing on the important parts of your footage. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and select your video project or top a new project to begin. Once your clip is on the timeline, tap on the edit option. Then tap on crop and you'll see a different ratios like 9 is to 16, 1 is to 1, or 16 is to 9. You can also manually crop by adjusting the corners and tap the check mark to apply your crop. To resize or reposition your video, just pinch with two fingers directly on the preview screen. You can move it, zoom in or out, or tilt it as needed to get the perfect frame. And that's it. You've just learned how to crop and resize videos in CapCut. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching!